All right, so now we're getting ready to change these old headlights. Put some new ones in. Pull this tab up. That's one. Pull this tab up. That's two. And then all you have to do is get these tabs through the hole. These right here through the hole. Look, it's out. It's that simple. The assembly's out already. Then you remove the plug, put the new one in, put the plug in, put the bulbs in as well, and that's it. So that's what we're about to do now. Lift this piece up. I don't know if you can see this, but you lift that up and then slide it out. When it's plugged in, you lift this up, this piece right here, lift it up and pull it out. These right here, they come off. Lift it up, you got access to your bulb. I didn't buy new bulbs yet, so I'm gonna put these old ones back in there. I know people are gonna be like, well, you should have bought new bulbs when you're changing them. Yeah, I'll get to it later. And so these are the same way. This is the new one. It also, you just pull the covers off and you can put bulbs in. See, I don't think these came with bulbs. It came with amber. Did not come with low and high beams. It also came with your cornering light already. So it comes with the amber and the cornering light. It doesn't come with the low and high beams. Now, that's it. Got the bulbs in. Now, just plug it in and it should be good to go. Show you all how to do this. I'm gonna try to. Hopefully you can see this. One goes in here, one goes down here. So you see, you put the top one in the hole, the bottom one will just slide down. That's it. That's all it is. That's it. Your light is good. Well, I'm not parked on a level surface, so of course the bubble's right there. But we'll see later. Now let's see these lights come on. Turn signal's on, that's the cornering light. As you can see, the signal's on. Looks much better than that one over there. So now we're gonna do the other one. That's it. That's the headlight change on the Regal.